Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the solid-state drive 2280, loosen the screw and unlatch the left side cover. Slide the cover off the system to remove it. Identify the solid-state drive and remove the screw securing it. To reinstall the solid-state drive 2280, place it back in the system and secure it with the screw. Place the side cover back on the system and relatch it. Tighten the screw to secure it. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.